Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Icloud. Calm and opening contacts, this ensures you access the authoritative set. Once there, select all entries and export a vCard. VCF, file, that single file preserves names, numbers, and groups. Make sure to save it in a clear folder so you can find it quickly. Doing this avoids syncing duplicate edits and gives you a portable snapshot. If you use multiple Apple ID, export each account separately to avoid mixing address books. Next, go to Contacts. Google. Calm and sign into the Google account you want to receive the contacts. This ensures they land in the right place. Choose Import, upload the saved VCF file and confirm. Google will parse the vCard and create entries. Once the import finishes, scan for duplicates and adjust labels or merge entries using Google's Merge tool. This step converts Apple contact fields into Google's format, so check notes and custom fields for any mismatches. Finally, enable Google Contacts sync on your devices so the changes propagate. On Android, this is automatic. On iPhone, add the Google account and enable contacts. If you see duplicates, use Google's Merge and Fix or a trusted deduping tool. Merge conservatively to avoid data loss. Always keep the original VCF backup and an archived copy before bulk edits. If an expected contact is missing, re-export from iCloud, inspect the VCF in a text editor for corrupt entries, then re-import.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.